Many times you have to look at how many characters are there in a string and then also find position of a character or a set of characters in a string in a column. In this lecture, I will show you how to exactly do that. For this example, I will use person.email address table. So let's first go ahead and write a SQL statement to select everything from this table. The reason I write the select statement to pull everything from the table is to get an understanding of what columns are available and what data is there. So let's write the statement, select star from, execute. We will be using email address column for our SQL. First thing we are going to do is count the number of characters that are in email address column for each of the row. So for that, I'm going to change star to email address just so that we can see which email address is there, and then use the function called len. Len measures the length of this column. So let's go ahead and type email address, and that's all you need. Go ahead and execute it, and here you can see total number of characters in each of the email address. This comes in handy when you have to look at if there are any empty columns or to extract certain number of characters from a column. Now what I'm going to do is write another statement to get the position of @ symbol. So in order to do that, let's put a comma and use a function called char index. Char index allows you to find the index, that is the position of a given character or set of characters. First thing you need to provide is the character or set of characters that you want to look for. So in our case, we're looking for @ symbol. Remember, you have to enclose your string in a single quote because that's how you enclose a string value. Then your string value, we're looking for @ symbol, and then close this, and then the column name where you want to look for this value. So in our case, it's email address. It's email address, and then close the parenthesis. And let's give it an alias and call as at position. I give a space here, execute it. Now you can see email address. In the second column, we could have given another alias here. Let me go ahead and provide alias as total length and execute it again. So total length is 22 and the position of @ symbol is 3. If you look in this first row, A is 0 and @ is at position 3. Similarly, you can look at row number 3. The position of @ symbol is at 7th position. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th is @ symbol. So this comes in handy as you're writing your SQL. You have your business use cases to find a certain character in a string, find the total number of characters, empty strings, etc.